Want to add a clickable link to your X bio so people can easily find your content or website? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it the right way. Start by opening the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon to open the menu, then tap on your profile name to go to your profile page. Now tap on the Edit Profile button. This will open all the sections where you can customize your profile details. Look for the bio field and tap on it. Here, you can type or paste any link you want to include, such as your website, portfolio, or another social media page. Keep in mind that links in the bio may not always be clickable, but people can still copy and visit them. If you want a cleaner and more visible option, scroll down and use the website field instead. Links added there usually appear as a separate clickable section on your profile. Once you've added your link, double-check everything to make sure it looks correct, then tap Save in the top corner to apply your changes. That's it. Your link is now part of your profile, making it easier for others to connect with your content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.